Thank you so much for joining us here. And now, the man who made it possible to not just touch hearts, but also souls of every individual across the world. Ladies and gentlemen, what a beautiful feeling to have his aura, his footsteps, and him completely here in this room. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the icon, the star, the young legend, Sonu Sood. Wow, what a brilliant feeling. I'm going to take a breather, and I love you all to take your beautiful pictures, ladies and gentlemen, and allow me to speak a few words about a very renowned actor who made it possible to climb the ladder of success. But before we go into the story, right after your photo op, we're going to have the unveiling, of course, and then I'm going to have a little bit, just a few words about the star who actually needs no introduction at all. But, of course, I have something to express from Society Achievers and deep within my heart. So are we ready for the countdown? Yes. I said you can cheer if you have the gadgets in your hand. 3, 2, 1. Fateh, the real hero. Sorry, sir. Should I speak for a moment? I like that. Please आप सीढ़ी बजा सकते हो. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Thank you.
Sir, towards your right.
Sir, right side में सोनू sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, right from being a very renowned actor to achieving accolades in the acting arena, having worked in different genres, he's the one who brings those characters to life on screen. Besides, of course, being the real hero, he's the one who's also won hearts with this great philanthropic work, right from aiding the migrant workers to giving them education to bringing the smiles on their faces, which during the pandemic gave him the name, and not just for the namesake, but truly the Masiha. People prayed and only prayed for his super success. They had tears in their eyes for the great, fabulous work. Fabulous is just a very minimalistic word, but for the great work done for the society, for the world at large. He brought smiles to everyone's faces, and everyone thought if there is a God, a Masiha who can fulfill our wishes, it is the one and only Sonu Sood. What a great belief. And right from there to now, right from acting to becoming a director with his dream project, Fateh. Sonu Sood sir with Society Achievers. I know I could hear you when you said yes, we're looking forward to that one special picture. It's a usi pose में देख सकते हैं possible है Sonu sir. Wow, please Ashok sir, kindly join us here. Sir, एक action picture बाकी towards the end हम जरूर रखना चाहेंगे. Thank you for the magazine. I'm going to request 25. Come on, everybody, you can cheer. For the man, the golden color for the golden heart. Thank you very much. May we please welcome our beautiful family of Society Achievers. Gives a beat.
Yeah. First of all, thank you so much for your kind words. All your kind words always embarrass me. And I think we all have so many achievers sitting in front of us. Thank you, Shubham, for always making us feel special. You know, I remember when I came to Mumbai for the first time from Moga. In fact, when I was in Moga, and I was doing my engineering, that for the first time I sent my pictures to start this magazine, so that I may get selected, but I was rejected. An envelope came back to Moga with a note that somehow you don't fit into the scope of getting into the contest. It was the Stardust some
Service
Stardust Academy. So I said, no, I have to really work hard to make it happen. And finally, today when I share this moment with you, I've been really honored. Thank you so much for this. And thank you. And I think the title of my film says it all. Fateh, कि जिंदगी में हर किसी की फतेह होनी चाहिए. You just have to really work hard to make it happen. And wishes always do the thing. And in the last couple of years have been the most special years of my career when we went behind a lot of goals that we set in our life, working with the best of producers, directors, actors, and then we realized the actual real goal is not something what you see on screen but off screen, where life is not about light, camera, action. It's about no lights, no camera, just action. And I think that's the most special feeling and the journey that I've lived in the last couple of years. And all I can say is, on the result, those special lines that my mom always used to say, कि सोनू कभी अपनी जिंदगी में दुआओं की स्याही डाल ले फिर देख तेरा नाम पन्नों पर नहीं आसमान पर लिखा जाएगा. So I think it's very important for all of us to realize that when we become someone's hope, when we try to put an effort for changing a life, that's when Almighty does wonders for you. We get friends like Niti, hi Niti, kya hai? I'm kya kar rahi hai? So, I feel really blessed, when I came to Mumbai, I never knew anyone. Always used to feel a bit lost when there was a bag on my shoulder, there's a lot of pictures, hunting for those offices where I can drop those pictures. And then things happened. So today when I produced and directed my first film, Fateh, and I wrote it also. So when I started writing that film, the film started a lot of real life experiences, all those real incidents where people were trying to approach me for help. They were cheated by cyber frauds. We came across a couple of suicides also because of those instant loan apps. And I realized this is a story of a common man who suffers every single day, and it has to be told. So that's why I started writing Fateh, and I thought that I should direct because I lived that journey. And now Fateh is all set to hit the theaters on 10th of Jan. All I can say that I've not just directed, I've lived this film. And the biggest challenge was when all our friends, all our relatives, they always used to say, why our films don't look like Hollywood films? Why our films are not shot the way we have seen films shot in the West, or action, or sound design. So I said, wait and watch, I'll get you something very special. I was fortunate enough to get the best of DOPs who have worked with the world's best action directors who have done films like Fast and Furious, Jurassic Park, Captain Marvel. We're fortunate enough to get a song from Hans Zimmer. It's called Call to Life. The voice of Dune, Johan Kotler, became the voice of Fateh. So I think when we got all those, big names in the film, then we realized that we have to make a film which should inspire the West to make a film like this. So I hope when Fateh hits the theater, you'll be proud that it's something very, very special. And fingers crossed, but जाके Fateh देखिएगा जरूर. और इसी नाम पे why would you get house on? Why would you be?
Yes, we can't thank you enough. So now for anything better towards the beginning for this beautiful beginning of the new year, a lovely new year for all of us. Line has a unique collection. Ladies and gentlemen, she's Asma Gulzar for us. Always been a part of the family. Asma, you're looking so elegant and all. And I love the shawl color.
First of all, a happy new year to all of you. It's a great honor for me to be a part of this beautiful event, especially this I'm standing with Sonu sir, and we shared many stages with him. And today is a very special day for me because मैंने आपके साथ stage share किया. Thank you so much. Thank you society for inviting me. Thank you sir.
I'm very excited to hear from both of you. Thank you for Takumi. Niti Goyal and Gaurav Parikh for us, ladies and gentlemen. So, Neeti is the brain behind some of the city's hottest restaurants. And coincidentally, she's also the co-founder where we are, Takumi, and one of the hosts for this evening as well. And Neeti is also being featured in Society Achievers.
Thank you.
I can see your name on the cover page as well.
Thank you so much, Sonu, for being here. Thank you, Ashok. So me and Sonu have been childhood friends, and Fateh is one dream which we've been living together for the last 3.5 years. Sonu has just lived, dreamt, bred everything Fateh for the last 3 years, and we really wish a success. It's a dream which is now materializing into reality, and I request everyone to see Fateh and to ask all your friends to watch Fateh. Fateh Ki Fateh Role 25.
It's going to be super success, supreme success. Gaurav, you want to add
I
on,
would
please?
like to thank Sonu Bhai. Thank you very much for coming. And I know him from many years now. And what he's done for people in COVID, I personally know it because my brother and him were involved actively, like 12 o'clock in the night or 4 o'clock in the morning. I want injections, I want this, I want that, and everything. They used to coordinate throughout the night. Wishing you all the best of Fateh. And I've seen the clips much before the teaser came out, and my first reaction was that this kind of movie is not coming to Bollywood. Everybody please go attend and watch Fateh.
आपने देखा आपने she's Iram Farid. Lovely and black as always, Iram. What a beautiful feeling to have you here with us today. Wow, what a beautiful feeling. You both are twinning black and black. Wow. I love that. Ram, you have 10 seconds. Sure.
Thank you, Ashok sir. Thank you, Anusha. And yes, Sonu sir, we love you. And फतेह को हम सबकी दुआ है और फतेह जरूर बहुत आगे जाएगी. हम सब वेट कर रहे हैं और सर आपने जो किया है यहाँ पे खड़े होकर हम खत्म नहीं कर पाएंगे, लेकिन सर आपसे सबको बहुत बहुत थैंक यू सो मच कि मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल मोमेंट है यहाँ पे आपके साथ थोड़ा सा टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much for saying, so it's very special. We'd like to first felicitate Dr. Anil Kashi Murata. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here today. And your good luck always counts. It's the best wishes that we're really looking forward to. And sir has a small token of love as well. And before you present that, so that, all right, sure, we'll go ahead. We shall request you to speak a few words as well, sir. It's a huge honor, sir, as 4 brilliant awards, which is for the true heroes of the society, right from saluting the true heroes. There's the one, his organization does great research work. He's Dr. Anil Kashi Murata ji. So before an industrialist, we call him a renowned philanthropist. Dil se, jaan se. सर दो शब्द आपसे जरूर सुनना चाहेंगे डॉक्टर अनिल जी. सर शुक्रिया.
That is always a pleasure being around you. Absolutely a pleasure. आपने दिलों पे फतेह किए दादा. ये मूवी
क्या बात है.
आपको आगे बढ़ गया. Thank you so much.
Member of Managing Committee, Indian Society of Assisted Reproduction. Member of Managing Committee, Maharashtra Chapter of Indian Society of Assisted Reproduction. Ladies and gentlemen, she is Dr. Ritu Hinduja. A loud round of applause for Dr. Ritu for bringing that happiness and joy in individuals' lives and fulfilling every couple's goals and dreams and individual dreams as well. Dr. Ritu, दो शब्द आपसे सुनना चाहेंगे please.
So, my friend Jagruti actually asked me if we are asked to speak something on the stage, what are we going to say? So, I really don't have much to say, but you're doing really great work, so keep that up, and we hear a lot about you. And I used to always feel that, we being doctors, we do so much, and the limelight is always on the film stars. but you are one of them who actually deserves it. So keep doing a good job. Congratulations, very proud, and all the best for Fateh. Thank you so much.
That was very kind. Kindly continue the applause as we like to welcome our consultant obstetrician and gynecologist at Bombay Hospital and Medical Research Center for Indian Sari. Thank you so much. She's Dr. Kunjal Batija with us, ladies and gentlemen, the consultant obstetrician and gynecologist at the Bombay Hospital and Medical Research Center. A beautiful feeling. 10 seconds, please. Thank you.
I'm so honored to be here amongst all of you. We doctors do so much of work all the time. But in limelight during COVID, we bow to you. What you have done for society, we were working in the hospital for the patients, you were working outside hospitals for the patients. Fateh ki Fateh.
SMD. She is Dr. Jagrati Ghosh. Again, very lovely in our beautiful Indian sari. Indian sari always impresses us, ladies and gentlemen, our beautiful traditional attire, and what a lovely smile, Dr. Kunjal. And this is, yes.
Thank you so much. Happy New Year to all of you. It really feels great to be here, standing beside Sonu Sood sir. We have only seen him in films and Netflix serials, but yeah, it really does not feel real to be here. And all the best for your movie, sir.
To always have you around. Thank you for spreading love by making sure that everyone has that perfect health. And in the fitness arena, we have the fitness icon Sonu Sood here with us. But you make sure that everyone has the right vitamins and the right consultancy. Ladies and gentlemen, is the one and only Mr. Sudeep Mukherjee here with us. Thank you, Sudeep ji. It's always special to have the very volunteer smile. We truly look forward to that.
Thank you so much. And me representing a healthcare company, we really knew the challenging days of pandemic. And today nothing can be great. It's a great honor to stand beside the real life hero, Mr. Sonu Sood, who have really made a difference and believed at that time the love for many. Sir, Bhagwan आपके साथ है and Fateh की already Fateh हो चुकी है. So wish you all the best, and I'm sure that all of us will be there on them to cheer up and make Fateh a big Fateh. Thank you, sir.
Shiva, thank you so much for always being a part of our family. Dr. Shiva Rama Bandari ji of the very popular Shiva's Stylo. The most amazing person जो दिल से जीते हैं और उनकी स्माइल देके आप सब अपने काम भूल जाएंगे. So if you want to look bright and be looking forward to a brighter future, he's the man. Dr. Yogesh Lakani. Yogesh sir, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? सोनू सर हैं.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो 1980 से स्टारडस्ट मेघना बनी सी वो सोसाइटी से मैं जुड़ा हूँ और सोनू भाई की पहले फिल्म से आज तक की फतेह फिल्म का भी आउटडोर पार्टनर वैरायटी है. तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मैं इतनी बड़ी फिल्म का हिस्सा हूँ. बड़ी में बड़ी फिल्म के साथ और सर की भी फिल्म बहुत बड़ी हो है, ऐसे मैं दिल से दुआ करता हूँ. और थैंक यू. आज बहुत बड़ा फ्रेंड का शादी का म्यूजिकल नाइट का शो था, लेकिन सोनू जी को मिलने के लिए मैंने कैंसिल किया.
योगेश भाई की जो कंपनी का नाम ब्राइट इसलिए है क्योंकि उनकी स्माइल इतनी ब्राइट है कि सबको देख सकते हैं. क्योंकि हमेशा ऐसे खुश हो. और आज जब मैं ऑफिस में आ रहा हूँ तो आप के बारे में बात कर रहे याद कर रहे थे कि ऐसे बड़े ही मतलब बताए गोल्डन हार्ट मैन हो आप. खुश रहे आप योगेश भाई. थैंक यू सो मच.
Media Fund in 2025 is all for Ramani. Please welcome Anusha Srivastava. The women Kubsulat, oh my God. Look at her smile, look at her beautiful sari and the shlokas. I don't know, my name is Anusha Srinivasan. Sorry. I apologize for this. I always know you as Anusha Srinivasan, but I thought because we have several different spellings. Shiva never read your full name, pehli baar padha hai, so that's the reason. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Anusha Srinivasan. Sure. You want to speak first and then? Whatever you say. See, I know Sonu for many years. He's a rock star. But during COVID, I think he was awake more than the rest of the world. I have disturbed him innumerable times. And even when the politicians can't get results, Sonu makes one call to the hospital, the patient gets moved from outside straight in. And there's a पहले क्यों नहीं बताया आप सोनू के patient हैं? I've had journalists who had problems with oxygen machines. I don't know from where he gets them. I think God has just got us a message. Someday I hope he becomes the Prime Minister. The India will change. Can I please have my team sit down? Yes, maybe please have the entire team. All of us, please come. Manusha Srinivasan, come. The entire beautiful team.
You are also there.
Sumina, please come. अभी ऐड कर रहे हैं क्या आप टीम में उनकी फोटो के लिए? अच्छा ऐड है. Thank you very much. Would you please come?
सामने देखिए.
Of Anusha, thank you so much. It's been really, really special. Oh, I'm not here. All the media is not a picture with you. Please come. I'll shoot the picture.
It is a great moment. The new year we started with a rock star, a friend, a family, Sonu Sood. उनकी जो पिक्चर आ रही है फतेह. From behalf of Society Achievers and Magnet Group, I want to wish him all the best and all good success for the coming, which is the movie is going to get released on the 10th of January. And I request everyone to please go into the theater and see the movie. The movie is fantastic. It's not the world. Okay. I also want to thank Niti for supporting us. And this event would have definitely not been successful without my teammate, which is Magnet, Sunil, Preeta Nair, Shivendra Pariyar, Amber, our editor, Andrea Cosplay. She's not here today due to her personal commitment. But yes, I'm sorry, and the Mario Pereira. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, for extending all the support. They are like behind my back, you know, standing, whatever I am today here because of them. So thank you so much. And I again wish Sonu for all the best for the coming movie.
Thank you so much.
Yes, I want to, there is a friend of mine, Sohni Kothari. He's a lawyer, he's here. He meets Sonu especially. He's come all the way.
Thank you, Swapnil, sir. The first time you're having here with us, very special. Yes, absolutely, ladies and gentlemen. We love to watch him in every news channel. He's the one who gives a right judgment and at the same time, the new law owner. Ladies and gentlemen, may we open hands together for the very renowned, the one and only, ladies and gentlemen, Swapnil Kothari, sir. He's absolutely a young legend and also into great philanthropic work and doing something for the film world as a passion, but otherwise advocacy of the right belief. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here. A few words from you.
लॉयर चुप रहेगा वो तो हो नहीं सकता है, कुछ तो बोलना पड़ेगा. And nothing to beat you know what Sonu does and has done in the past. I am also the president of Council for Fair Business Practices, who started by Tata as well as Bajaj Godrej. So we work very closely together with all of them, and you know, they've been very commendatory of everything that he's done. And you know, they told me that you do speak, congratulate him on our behalf as well. And so let me tell you something. कई लोग पैसे बनाते हैं, कई लोगों को नाम शौहरत मिलती है, लेकिन बहुत कम लोगों को लोगों का प्यार मिलता है, और तीनों चीजें आप में बहुत भरी हुई है. So that's one of the best things that can happen. Very few people can gain that kind of affection and love that he's gathered. Name, fame तो आता रहता है, but to have that love and affection, and we've seen it all, you know, from everybody that is spoken of you. So, you know, sometimes the words fall short of commending you for something that you've done incredible. Thank you, Ashok. Thank you, Simran. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
So lucky. You're very lucky for me, by the way. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
the magazine पे आपको front page इस information को देख रही है फतेह नसीब कंपन करके हर चीज के प्रति फतेह का प्यार मिल रहा है तो क्या कुछ कहना चाहिए कितनी खुशी है आपने
मुझे वही लगता है कि मैं दुआएं आपके साथ हैं, तो दुआओं जब आप गाने मिलते हैं तो so I just thank God every single day जिंदगी भर करते रहे, जिंदगी भर फतेह मिलती रहे और जो भी दूसरों की जिंदगी बदलने के लिए कोशिश करते हैं हमेशा
सर इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग ये आपका डायरेक्टर रिव्यू है
जी।
कैसा लगा डायरेक्टर के चेयर पे बैठना, मतलब फर्स्ट टाइम सिटिंग ऑन द डायरेक्टर चेयर हमेशा से
कहानी लिखते हैं और उसको विजन देने की कोशिश करते हैं तो ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो होती है आपके कंधे पर। आई थिंक जब आप तो पता है कि आपको क्या करना है, विजन दिखाना तो बहुत मुश्किल है। आई थिंक डायरेक्टिंग फतेह वाज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट स्पेशल एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ माय लाइफ।
सर आप बोलना है कोई रीजन में आईटीबी क्रॉनिकल से एंट्री का मतलब अगर आपको ऑडियंस को सिर्फ दो शब्दों में बोलना है जाके फतेह देंगे तो आप क्या कहेंगे?
मुझे ये कहता है कि फतेह एक फिल्म नहीं है, एक ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस है जो आप जिंदगी भर याद रखें। एक ऐसी दुनिया जो हम लोग हमेशा बचपन से देखना चाहते हैं और कोशिश की है कि आपको जिंदगी
सर आज आपने जिस लोगों से बुलाया था इसके पहले बहुत आगे से बट सोनू सर की एडमिशन आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है? रियल लाइफ हीरो है, एक्शन हीरो है।
Sonu is you know that he's like a family.
और आपकी जर्नी के लिए वी विल आल्सो आउट ऑफ द वेट मैन ही जर्नी
सर वन क्वेश्चन आपसे ये थी अभी रिसेंटली एक कन्वर्सेशन एक टूट गया था कि मैं न्यूज़ शिफ्ट का बॉम्बे ठीक है बट आपने जैसे कहा कि इस मूवी में आप विगल गान लगाने वाले हैं नेवर लाइक इसके पहले कभी नहीं देखा होगा एक्शन सीरीज को लेकर के बात करें सो आपको लगता है कि वो लूप कहीं ना कहीं सिनेमा में नई चीजें थोड़ी सी सुधारने की जरूरत है
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अपना खुद काम करके रहना चाहिए ईमानदारी से। हम आर्टिस्ट एक्टर्स हूँ क्राफ्ट के अंदर मेहनत करते रहेंगे, लोगों को पसंद आता रहेगा, कन्विंस करते रहना ईमानदारी से काम करते
रहना चाहिए कि ऐसी एक फिल्म बननी तो बॉलीवुड का ऐसा है यूनिक रिस्पॉन्सिबल आपको चाहिए जो आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
देखिए अगर आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल भी देखें ट्रेलर की तरह अपने बहुत मजा आया
साल का पहला इशू है पहले ऐसा है कि एज अ मैगजीन हमारा जो रीच है we are reaching 25 lakhs people every month. Every month is growing. Every month is growing by this. So we are very happy. Society insurance is a general interest lifestyle magazine. उसके अंदर Bollywood, fashion, media, business, सारे कंपार्टमेंट करते आ रहे हैं। ये मैगजीन कम से कम 40 साल से चल रही है और बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स होता है, खासकर कि बॉलीवुड के साथ बहुत कम अलग अलग फील्ड के लोग हैं, स्पोर्ट्स के मीडिया की है, पॉलिटिक्स है, सारे सब्जेक्ट हैं। क्या कहना चाहिए मेरे साल के मैं सबको आई वुड लाइक टू विश एवरीवन लॉट्स ऑफ खुश आए सब जीवन में हमारे साथ जुड़ते रहे और हमारी मेहनत करते रहे बस हमारे from the mayor, he's been हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं कम से कम ever since the company came to India. We've been associated to each other. इनकी जितने भी ब्रांड्स हैं उनको हम प्रमोट करते हैं और वैसा वैसा एक्सचेंज ऑफ लव.
सर क्या कहेंगे आप द्वारा यहाँ पर सॉलिड किया गया और क्या कहेंगे
देखिए सोनू सूद इन रियल लाइफ, नॉट ओनली इन रियल लाइफ, ही इज़ ए हीरो. हमने कोविड टाइम पे देखा है कैसे उन्होंने इतना काम किया है लोगों को, जो लोग वर्कर्स को अपने घर पहुंचाया, ट्रिमेंडस काम किया है. तो ऐसे शख्स का जो इतने डेडिकेटेड है, उनका मूवी तो सुपर हिट होना ही है. तो मैंने तो आज बोला उनको फतेह की फतेह हो चुकी है एंड आई विश हिम ऑल दी बेस्ट. हम सबकी शुभकामनाएं उनके साथ है. डेफिनेटली आज एक बहुत बड़ा मौका था हमारे लिए. बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है कि ऐसे रियल लाइफ हीरो के साथ हम खड़े थे, उनको सुने और उनको हमने बेस्ट विशेस दिया उनका. और ये पॉसिबल हुआ बिकॉज ऑफ सोसाइटी अचीवर्स, बिकॉज वो लोग भी कंटिन्यूअस काम करते हैं टू रिकॉग्नाइज सोसाइटी के जो कंट्रीब्यूटर्स हैं, अचीवर्स हैं, उनकी कहानी सामने लाने के लिए और उनको रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए.